Xiaomi 17 Ultra satellite version receives approval in China. Xiaomi 17 Ultra S satellite version has now received China S radio certification under the model number 251-8PNA1C. It was also previously spotted on the same certification site. However, that was the regular variant of the phone. According to the listing, this version will support Tiantong 1 and Beidou connectivity for satellite calls and messages. It also has UWB ultra-wideband support for seamless connectivity across its ecosystem devices. This radio certification adds to the growing list of approvals for Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Previously, the global and Indian versions of the phone were spotted on the IMEI database with model numbers 2512BPNDAG and 2512BPNDAI respectively. It could launch in China in Q1 2026. Xiaomi 17 Ultra specifications. Rumored. As always, the talk of the Ultra is the cameras. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is expected to feature a quad-camera system with the following setup. Main, OmniVision OV50X, 50mm, 1-inch sensor. Ultra-wide, Samsung JN5, 50mm, telephoto, Samsung JN5, 50mm, periscope telephoto, ISOCELL HP5, 200mm. If true, this would be the first time Xiaomi has used a 1-inch main sensor from OmniVision. It has a 1.6 megapixel size and 110 dB single exposure HDR, promising exceptional clarity and dynamic range. The front could get a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED display with 2K resolution and ultra-narrow bezels, reportedly thinner than the iPhones. Powering it all is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with fast wired and wireless charging, IP-rated water resistance, and a large battery. Xiaomi is also expected to launch its first NAS, network-attached storage device, alongside the 17 Ultra. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment love to hear what you think.